Shall I start?
All right, wait. So, ladies and gentlemen, as you already know, I gave you the topic of the presentation yesterday. The topic was my best friend. Today, all of you are going to give the presentation on that. I hope you are ready. Let's do it. All right, Asa Shrivastava, who is your best friend? What is his or her name?
My best friend is Sargam.
Okay, Satyam,
Sargam.
Sargam. Oh, ho, ho.
Yes,
All
yes.
right, your time starts now.
Good evening, everyone. Hi, my name is Astha, and I today I am happy to share my thoughts about my best friend. My
Mm-hmm.
best friend is Sargam. She lives in Riva. She is such a smart person. She is also kind. She is also kind-hearted. She is doing his study from Riva. She has hard work to get a good marks. I met her in my family function. We have been friendship since 2013. She calls me every day and we talk hours. She doesn't talk rubbish. She is friendly with everyone. She loves painting. She likes to night out with me, but she doesn't know how to dance. So we really meet. We enjoy a lot. She's like my sister. Our friendship has completed 10 years and I love her a lot. Thank you so much.
Very good.